Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a lesson from your novel book, and the name of the lesson is Alice in Wonderland, Chapter 4. Children, you all must be knowing the story of Alice in Wonderland, don't you? Yes, it's a very interesting and popular story. So I'll just give you the outline of the story and then I'll read it and you enjoy. This story centers on Alice, who is a young girl who falls asleep in a meadow and dreams that she follows the white rabbit down a rabbit hole. She has many wondrous, often bizarre adventures with very strange creatures, often changing size unexpectedly. She encounters the hookah smoking caterpillars, the Duchess, the Cheshire Cat, and she attends a strange, endless tea party with the Mad Hatter and the March Hare. She plays games with several creatures. Finally, she realizes that all the characters are only a pack of cards, and then she awakens from her dream. So let's go into the story and know more about it. Alice was reading a storybook over her sister's shoulder. She saw a rabbit running across the lawn. She followed it. It disappeared into a hole. She jumped but found herself falling down the rabbit hole. She got frightened. She walked a few more steps inside a burrow. Burrow means a hole. Again, she was falling into a deep well. As the walls were cushioned with soft cardboards, she was not hurt. She fell on a heap of soft boxes and found herself in a long passage. She cried in confusion, "Where am I?" Confusion means when you are in an unclear state. After landing safely, she saw the same rabbit hurrying along a corridor, muttering to himself that he would be late. Muttering means to talk softly. He disappeared again. This time, Alice found herself in front of many locked doors. Following the rabbit, she reached a hall. There was a three-legged glass table with a golden key lying on top of it. She tried the keys on every door, but in vain. In vain means she could not open it, means useless. At last, Alice opened a small door with it. It revealed a beautiful garden. Revealed means showed. The passage was small. Alice wished to reach the beautiful garden. She wished she were small enough to reach the garden. Suddenly, she found a bottle on the table with the label "Drink Me." She drank the content. Content means the matter inside the bottle. At once, Alice became very small, as if changed by some magic. She had forgotten the key. As she had only become few inches tall, she could not reach the keys. She found a piece of cake under the table with the label "Eat Me." The moment she finished eating the cake, she grew tall like a giant and her head touched the rooftop. Giant means huge, like a monster. As she was 9 feet tall now, she could not dream of entering the mini garden. It was unfortunate that she had the key now, but could not enter the small passage. She started crying. She was surrounded by a pool of her own tears. Unfortunate means unlucky. Just then, the white rabbit saw Alice. He got frightened and dropped both of his gloves and ran away. Alice fanned herself with the gloves. To her amazement, she found herself becoming smaller. In a few seconds, she gained her original height and size. Alice swam in her pool of tears and came out safely. Just then, the rabbit ordered her to fetch his gloves. The rabbit had mistaken her for his mate. However, she went to fetch the glove. The table on which the gloves were kept, Alice saw a bottle of drink. This also had the label "Drink Me." Alice drank the content out of curiosity. Curiosity means the eagerness to know more about anything. Soon, Alice became so gigantic that her hands and legs were sticking out of the windows of the house. Gigantic means very huge, like a monster. The rabbit thought that Alice was a monster. He threw stones on her. She caught them. The moment she touched them, they became pieces of cakes. She ate a few pieces of cakes. She became smaller and smaller and eventually ran out of the house. Eventually means finally. After a while, Alice met a caterpillar and expressed her sorrow as she had become unrecognizably small. The caterpillar gave a mushroom and said, "One side of this mushroom will make you grow tall and the other side will make you grow small." Eating a piece of mushroom, Alice gained a normal height. She met a duchess who threw away a baby to her and left her in the kitchen. The Cheshire cat was grinning at Alice. Grinning means to look with disappointment or displeasure. Alice ran after the duchess to return the baby, but the baby turned into a pig. The pig ran into the forest. The Cheshire cat took her to March Hare and the Hatter. Alice got very bored. She wandered into the woods and found a beautiful garden. Wandered means to move without any aim. She found 3 card-shaped gardeners painting the white roses. Alice inquired them why they were painting the rose. They said, "We have planted white roses by mistake. We are painting them red to escape the wrath of the queen." Wrath means the anger. Just then, the king and queen of hearts arrived there. They were accompanied by their card attendants. Queen of Hearts became fond of Alice. Fond of means liked. She sent her with a griffin to meet the mock turtle. Now, griffin is an animal who has got the head of a bird. The mock turtle disclosed the news that once he was a real turtle and went to sea school for his swimming lessons. A trial began. Griffin took her to the spot. The Knave of Hearts was charged with the crime of stealing the queen's tart. Knave means a dishonest person and tart means it is a sweet fruit. The trial irritated Alice because the witnesses were talking foolishly. Alice cried, "This is nonsense." The Queen of Hearts said, "Cut her head." Alice said, "I am not afraid. You are just a pack of cards." The cards flew towards her in fury. Fury means anger. Alice woke up. She realized that she was only dreaming. So that's all about the story. Children, did you enjoy the experiences of Alice in Wonderland? I hope you did. You too can explore the world around you. You are blessed with enormous sense of wonder. And this sense of wonder makes one enjoy the little things of life which makes them rich. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.